Hi! People are genuinely curious about bicycle touring, and I've been asked many times about the equipment I use. In this video, I'll show you what I use and how I'm using it as I travel around Australia. There's nothing like running out of battery power when you need it most, and being self-sufficient is important when touring long distances. For the electrics, I have a Goal Zero 7W and two 28W solar panels and a Sherpa 100 battery pack. If used sparingly, there's enough energy to recharge my iPhone, iPad, laptop, drone batteries, camera batteries, a rear vision camera, warning light, and bicycle headlight battery. The 7W solar panel and battery charger recharges 27 Eneloop AA batteries, and these power a voice recorder, radio, portable shaver, and the helmet caving light and rear warning lights. The tent I use is made by Planet and comes in a unique camouflage design. This is a 2 to 3 person pump-up expedition tent with enough space for all my equipment, which is great when camping in bad weather. The hammock is a 4-season asymmetrical hammock made by Hennessy and is wonderful when relaxing or camping out, as I am rain, wind and insect protected. In my video, The Tent and Hammock Part 5, I'll show you how I've improved the tent and hammock's designs to make them better suit my needs. For capturing the precious moments and beautiful scenery on this journey, I use a DJI Mavic Pro drone and an Osmo Plus camera with a Z-axis gimbal. The Osmo can be fixed to a tripod that I mounted on the front of the bike. This is great for running commentaries. The Mavic drone creates great sweeping panoramic shots and is ideal for capturing iconic landscapes. Apart from the drone and Osmo, I have a lot of adapters and cinematic filters, and I use my iPhone and rear vision camera for filming. Editing is done on Avid Media Composer first on a Predator laptop that will soon be replaced. For cooking, I use a Trangia 25.5 with 2 non-stick pots and a frying pan. This cooker burns methylated spirits, which I mix with a few drops of water to stop pots from turning black. The system is compact, and in the cooker I store the burner, salt and pepper, coffee and honey, cutlery, a carrying handle and lighter. In my video, Food and Water Part 4, I will show you what I eat and how I prepare the food with this cooker, as well as some survival techniques. For the panniers, I use Orriss Backpacker Cities on the front and Backpacker Pros on the rear. There is a 7-litre handlebar bag and a 59-litre dry bag on the back. In my next video, Packing the Bike Part 3, I will show you what is in the packs and weigh everything and announce the winner to my tattoo art poster competition. Just remember, if you are the closest person to guessing the weight of my touring bike in this photo, you will win. The poster is personally signed by me and has a high security hologram and comes with information about me and my artwork in English, German, Spanish and French. It's valued at €200, over $300 Australian dollars, and it could be yours for free. So just remember to leave your guess in the comments section below. Other equipment I use is a Mont Helium down sleeping bag and a sleeping mat, plus a back roller which I use for stopping back pain. I have a first aid kit and a personal location beacon, which is important when travelling through the outback. Australia is a huge country and many areas have no internet connection, so I use a Texan multi-band radio to keep me informed of news and weather conditions. In my free time, I like to draw on envelopes and write lots of letters, so I have some art materials and drawing paper. There's also a large map of Australia, with the goldfields circled black and marked in yellow. The red stars represent places of interest that I will travel to on this journey. When travelling through the goldfields, I use a Minelab metal detector for finding gold nuggets, just like these. In my episode Looking for Gold Part 8, I will show you how to find gold and where to look. When I arrive at the coast, I like to go beach fishing and use a Shimano Eclipse 8-foot telescopic rod with a Jarvis Walker 4000 reel. Fishing is a lot of fun, so I have a filleting knife, gloves, and the tackle box has hooks for river and beach fishing and for catching squid. My cycling helmet has been redesigned with fiberglass to make it better suit my needs. The visor has been extended to block out the sun, and I added 2 mirror sockets so the mirrors can be replaced if lost or broken. The Petzl caving light has a 100-metre focusing spot, which is great for adventures at night, and the energy-saving light is good for around the tent. On the back is a warning light, and the battery packs balance the helmet perfectly. There's a camera adapter for filming that I use for carrying the helmet, and the insect protection net I sewed works great against flies and mosquitoes. So there you have it. This was an overview of the equipment that I use. In my next video, Packing the Bike Part 3, I will weigh everything and announce the winner to my tattoo art poster competition. So don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my journey and adventure around Australia. So good luck with the poster competition, and until then, it's Auf Wiedersehen from me, and goodbye from Cycling Adventure Studios.